Gulu district, not Gulu city. Here to talk about Gulu district. It's a district of northern Uganda, The regional headquarters are located in Gulu city, which is also the administrative capital of the entire northern Uganda. The district consists of two main divisions, Gulu West and Gulu East. Gulu district is bordered by Lamore district to the north, Pade district and Amor district to the east, Oyam district to the south, Noaya district to the southwest, and Amor district to the west. The district headquarters in the city of Gulu are 333 kilometers or 207 miles by road north of Uganda's capital city, Kampala. The coordinates of the district are near the city Gulu, 02 degree, 49, 50.0 to the north, 32 degree, 19, 13.0 to the east. Its latitude is 2.803. I beg to say the latitude is 2.830556 and the longitude is 32.320278. As of November 2019, the district is one of the 8 districts that constitute Acholi sub-region, which is the historical homeland of the Acholi ethnic group. The district was composed of Ashwa County and the Gulu Municipal Council. The economic activity of 90% of the people in Gulu district is sadly still agriculture. I know why I say said. Ugandans are proud that agriculture is a backbone, but they shouldn't be proud. Machines should be, not us, robots, tractors, and the rest. The national census as of 2002 put the population of Gulu district at 193,337. In the 2014 national census and the household survey, the population of Gulu district was enumerated at 275,613. The notable persons are very many, but we'll just talk one. The district is the birthplace of the poet and writer Okot BITEK, former UNLA military officer Brigadier George William Nyero also hails from Gulu district. Thank you. This and more still to come.